जब कभी मैं परेशान था तुम मेरे साथ थे. How will you translate this?
I'm upset.
Whenever I was upset, whenever I
Whenever
was,
I am upset.
I was परेशान था. Whenever I was upset,
Whenever I was upset, you
were
you
were
were
with
with
me.
me.
Yes. Whenever I was upset, you were with me. In both the
With me.
sentences, you have to use the past form of verb. I was upset, you were with me.
With me.
Next one is, क्या वहाँ कुछ चल रहा है?
Is anything going on there?
Is anything going on?
There.
Next one, phone बज रहा है क्या?
Phone is ringing.
It is a question. क्या phone बज रहा है? Phone बज रहा है क्या? How will you translate this? Is the phone ringing?
Ringing.
Is the phone ringing?
Is the phone ringing?
Ringing, right. Okay. Next one, school 8:30 बजे शुरू होता है. How will you translate this?
School is starting at 8:30.
Okay. See, the school starts at 8:30. रोज होता है. These are the timings. So for events that happen regularly, you will say it in the present indefinite tense, simple present tense. School starts. Starting नहीं होगा. Starting तो होता है ना अगर start हो रहा हो अभी at the time of speaking. So school starts because school is a singular third person. इसलिए जो verb है start उसके साथ s you will put. School starts at 8:30. School starts at 8:30. Next one, हमें वहां कब पहुंचना है? How will you translate this?
Where do we have to reach other?
When do we have to reach there? When do we have to
There.
reach there? वहां. कब को हम बोलेंगे when? So when do we have to reach there? When do we have to reach वहां?
There.
मतलब when do we have to reach there?
There.
When do we have to reach there?
There.
Next one, मैं अपनी मम्मी के लिए एक तोहफा ढूंढ रही हूँ. How will you?
I am searching for a gift for my mother.
For my mother. Okay.
Mother.
उसे शायद अपनी नौकरी अगले महीने बदलनी पड़ेगी. तो it is in the future. It is in the future. शायद है. He may have to. You will say he may have to.
He may have to change his job next month.
Good. He may have to change his job next month.
Next month.
Yes, that's right. Next one. मेरे ख्याल से शनाया नहीं आ रही. How will you translate?
आएगी. I think Sanaya is not coming.
Good. I think Shania is not coming. Okay.
Is not coming.
Yes. Next one. तुम गप्पों में व्यस्त थे.
व्यस्त हो. You are busy in the gossip.
Okay. See, this is in the past. तुम गप्पों में व्यस्त थे. पहले थे. So what will you say? You were. Chit chat. Chit chat भी आप बोल. ठीक है. Gossip होता है कि हम किसी और के बारे में हम बातें कर. गप्पे means we are talking to each other. It could be about anything. So गप्पों को हम बोलेंगे chit chat. Means not very important बातें but normal बातें. That is called गप्पे मार. And gossip होता है किसी और के बारे में we are talking something probably negative. That is gossiping. Okay, इधर की उधर करना बातें करना that is gossip. गप्पे just chit chat. Chit chat. Okay, general talk basically. Okay. सितारे दिन में नहीं दिखते.
दिखते. Star is not seen in day.
Stars cannot be seen during the day. मैं पिछले महीने मुंबई में था. How will you translate this?
I was in last month I was in last month in Bombay.
I was in Mumbai. I was in Mumbai last month. I is the subject, then was verb. In Mumbai, कहाँ पे थे आप? मुंबई में थे, और कब थे वो लास्ट में आएगा. I was in Mumbai last. Okay. One, आपने रोहन को कॉल किया होगा. How will you translate this? आपने रोहन को कॉल किया होगा.
You have calling you Rohan.
You must have मतलब जरूरी आपने कोई काम किया होगा. You must have called up Rohan. You must have called up Rohan.
Rohan.
बादल गरज रहे हैं, लगता है बारिश होने वाली है. I think it is about to rain. Means लगता है बारिश होने वाली है. I think it is about to rain. मेरी शादी को 5 साल हो गए हैं. How will you translate this?
My wedding for 5 years.
I've been married for 5 years. I have been married for 5 years.
5 years.
5 years. S will be there. I have been married for 5 years. डांट खाने के बाद पूजा रोने लगी.
Pooja is called.
Pooja started crying.
Pooja starting crying after scolded.
After being scolded.
Being scolded.
किसी और ने डांटा उसको. After being scolded.
Scolded.
मुझे एक सूट सिलवाना है.
I want to get suit.
I want to get a suit stitched.
Stitch.
Yeah. If you want to get something done from somebody, you have to use this format. Get. फिर आपने क्या करवाना? That you have to say. Get a suit stitched. अगर आपने मोबाइल रिपेयर कराना है तो I want to get mobile repaired.
Stitch माने सिलवाना.
हाँ, stitched होता है सिलवाना.